These are the mushrooms collected from a tree of sapota leaves. Under the tree of sapota, I collected these mushrooms. These are edible mushrooms only, not amanita. It's a very good cream color mushrooms. It's the shape not perfectly round, just like a wrapper. These Tina belong to same species, same genera. See, cream color caps, very big size, small size to very big size. This diameter may be 12 to 15 centimeters diameter. It will grow. In beginning, the gills are some buff color, light flesh color, cream color, white to light cream color. This like mutton, light mutton color, skin color, light. Mutton, light color means buff color. We tell as buff, light pink color. And this thing is white to light buff color. White to light buff color. You might have seen this also, buff color. Might be seeing. This is a big thing. This is also the same thing. After maturity, it turns slightly brown. You see, it turns into brown color. Okay. Brown. This is not amanita. It's some other fungus. It's collected from sapota leaves. Sapota leaves. So I will tell later the name of this fungi. Mushroom. It is not amanita. For amanita, you can observe this. Some ring will be there. Collar ring. Collar ring is not there. This is not amanita. This is non-poisonous, edible only. You can eat it. It's a very good mushroom.